Welcome to Halal and Delicious. Today we're going to be making falafel. Ingredients: we have 1 pound of chickpeas soaked in water overnight, 10 cloves of garlic, 1 head chopped of onion, 2 tablespoons of coriander, 2 tablespoons of cumin, 1 tablespoon of salt, fresh dill, fresh parsley. First, we're going to mix all the ingredients together except for the spices. First, we're going to mix our ingredients inside the meat grinder, or you could use a food processor. And now we have to grind the ingredients. Now we mixed all the ingredients inside the meat grinder, we're going to put the spices. Then we mix together. That smells good. Now the falafel is ready, we're going to fry it in deep oil. You could use a falafel handle, but if you don't have a falafel handle, you could use an ice cream scooper. Now the falafel is ready. It looks so good. We're just going to put it on a paper towel to dry out. Thank you for watching Halal and Delicious. Don't forget to subscribe, like, hit the bell, and we'll see you next time.